All right, hey guys, this is Jason with Multiple Streams of Income, and I want to show you how you can create a blank page in eStage to build your home on the internet. And I use this to create a opt-in page right from your actual eStage within your WordPress website. So let's get right to it. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started right now. And before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you hit that notification button so that you can get notified whenever a new post comes out from me. Okay, so here's how you do this. I'm going to go to my website, which is in jasongerald.com. I'm already logged in, as you can see up here. And what you want to do is go to page, okay? And this is very simple to do. It's going to be a very short video. All right, and create a new page. Okay, and name it whatever you want. I'm going to call it Serious Entrepreneurs Only page. And down here, what you're going to want to do is go to a blank. Where is it at? Blank, 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 blank. Where are you, blank? Home page. Oh, sorry. This template right here is blank full width. Okay, you don't need a parent, just need blank full width. You're going to publish this because when you do a page, it doesn't go on your website. It just sits there until you're ready to use it. And so I published it. Now with the Visual Composer, what you're going to do is back end, and you're going to want to pick here full row. Okay, and then right here is an edit button. So you want to edit this page, and you're going to want to say stretch content to and no padding, and you leave that 0, full height and row. Okay, and we'll just pick that there, and I said middle, that's fine. Equal height, okay, that's fine. Custom content middle. We're not doing a video, okay? And you would, if you want to do an image, you can do an image right there, but I want to make this a pure white page, so I'll do none from that perspective. And at this point, you're done. Okay, now when you update this, just like this, and then now if you want to view that page, I'm going to open in another tab, which is right here. I got lots of tabs open. You can see there is nothing on this page at all. Now, if I wasn't logged in, you wouldn't even see this. This is a clear white page for you to do anything you want to it, just like ClickFunnels does or anything like that. You can create a funnel right here. So I won't go into all the details of how to create a funnel. I just wanted this video to be how to create a blank white page in eStage. It's simple, it's easy, and it only takes a couple of minutes. So hopefully this is helpful to build your multiple streams of income online and building your home online, which is your home online. So make sure you go ahead and hit subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button, and good luck. And if you have any questions, make sure you comment below on this video, and I'll be able to see that comment and answer to your questions. All right, have a great day, guys, and go out and create multiple streams of income. Bye.